Welcome to Umkosi noMagajeni. I am uMagajeni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzisa it's about uMusa Mseleku. So uMusa Mseleku udume ngesithembu sakhe esabafazi abayi-4 which is uMaqela, uMayeni, uMankhumalo and uMangwabe. So uMusa Mseleku ubhale i-letter nyalo appreciation letter for abafazi bakhe. And iletha khona ngizofunda nje le part engi-screenshotile. So ibhale ukuthi I don't take it lightly or for granted that you beautiful ladies are in my life. You agreed to work with me on this journey of building our family and our generational wealth and legacy. I consider myself very fortunate and blessed to have you. Without you, I wouldn't have done it. One day my ancestors will bestow upon you and crown crowns because they are too big to be bestowed by human beings, he wrote. So guys, we all know that uMusa Mseleku uyabathanda abankosikazi wakhe way-4 and he's a man who's open about his term and he wants omunye umfazi which will be number 5. So guys, angifuni ukukhuluma ngoMusa Mseleku nesithembu sakhe kuphela, but I also want to talk about abantwana baMusa Mseleku laba abancanyana, not abadala. They have a show that plays on 161 that is called Ingane Zesithembu. So they are abancane, they have a YouTube channel that calls Mnini and Siblings. So Mnini is second born kaMayeni, which is the second born umfazi wesi-2, which is uMayeni, then nama siblings wakhe. I think the main reason ukuthi bathi Mnini and Siblings is because Mnini, we know ukuthi a lot of fans bayamthanda. He has a lot of fans. 1, 2, he's a businessman, and 3, indlela acabanga ngayo it's so different. You can see ukuthi uthathe kakhulu kuba bakhe. So Mnini and ama siblings wakhe, they were out. Mnini ubathathile wabayisa on casino. Guys, mayicala nje episode I was not happy because engabe bachubeka le from last week. Mnini last week they were baking, they had a baking competition which is Mnini nabo Mnini owami umntana uSamkelo uMawande. Mnini owami uSamkelo uMawande ubani, I'm not sure laba abanye else. Oh, yilo ayibo Mnini omncane, obvious usesemncane, nalo wakibo oMawande omncane, umntana kanti omncane lesuku lesincane besingekho ke umntana kaSine omncane bakangekho. So on that competition umuntu owinile umntana kaMangwabe, of which mina I think you deserve a winner. I didn't take stomach cakes, but they won't lie, and ubababo ubanike iscore esilinganayo. So Mnini kuphela that episode yakhala sivula le uyakhala Mnini spoiled, and if abayivali or abamgwemu nanje uzobanika iproblem because I think isanalento le ukuthi uye umfana unale ngcondo le ukuthi sekamdlifa everything izoba yeyakhe, because we all know ukuthi Mseleku unabantwana abayi-10 but uNkulunkulu mne only 3 boys. And we know ukuthi Mseleku ingcondo yakhe it's all about ukuthi ufuna ukukhulisa umndeni. So yena ngaye abantu abakhulisa umndeni is only boys, and according to African culture the only person okwazi ukuqhubekisa isibongo it's umntana omfana, of which is true because intombazane izoshada itshintshe isibongo, umfana uye ezoqhubekisa isibongo sakaMseleku. Umnini ukhale ubabakhe waze wamlandelela wathi yena ufuna ukuhlala nobabakhe because abanye abantu abamthandi, and lento uthi abe umfana ayi-1 imphatha kabi bona amantombazane babaningi. And on the diary session one thing enginotisile umntana kaMangwabe ushilo ukuthi ubaba uthanda Mnini ngoba abafana unakekela abafana kakhulu, ubaba akanandaba namantombazane, of which is something that is said. Guys, cabanga nje umntana omncane lamntana I think she's 12 if not 13 sekakwazi ukubona ukuthi ubabakhe uthanda muphi akathandi muphi. It's wrong. Mseleku bonke abantwana bakhe lapho ufunelani umndeni if ufuna abafana kuphela? Angithi yena uyazikhethela ukuthi ufuna abaphela, and umntana phela according to science umuntu uye oproduce abantwana, that means uye keep abafana, kusi la makhosikazi azikhethela amantombazane. If I think bebazozikhethela kuba namantombazane, and it's the second time engishoyo ukuthi if akayinotice lento umntana mangabe izomnika iproblem because it's like lo mntana sakacala uba distance naye. But ke bazala bamziso ngicela uhambe uyibukela the Mnini and Siblings, and you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.